We are going to do an elote dog today. It's cheesy, it's corny, just like your host Twon. It's roasty, it's toasty, it's got a little bit of char, citrus, cheese, all of that. Well, we're turning it into a hot dog today. We're gonna start with an ear of corn, and we're gonna get that corn right on the grill. What I've done is I actually took my corn and I heated it up a little bit in the microwave with a wet paper towel. And just to get it warm, we're gonna go on the grill right there. We're gonna let that get nice and charred, and then we're gonna cut it off for our special topping for our hot dog. While the corn is going, we're gonna go ahead and give a jalapeno a quick chop. And I'm just gonna go in like this. This is gonna give us a little bit of heat, a little bit of that freshness from the jalapeno. And I wanna go sort of small. It's gonna give us some beautiful color as well. Next up, we're gonna cut a lime in half. Beautiful, there it is. Now, this is about a half cup of sour cream. We're gonna go in with a couple tablespoons of mayo. We're gonna give this a quick squeeze of lime. We're gonna give it our jalapeno and a little bit of cilantro. Not much, we don't need much, just for a little bit of flavor. Then we give this a good mix. All right, our sauce is done. Our jalapeno is cut. Let's go over, we're gonna get our dog on the griddle. So we're just steaming up an all beef hot dog, and we're gonna go right onto the griddle. Slappity dog. So our corn is getting nice and charred. Look at that, that's exactly what we want. We want those little burn pieces. And you can go a little bit further than what you think with the burn pieces. So our dog is done. We've got a beautiful split. I don't mind that at all. We're gonna get that in the bun, and we're gonna build here in a second. So that goes down, then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of mustard. All right, our corn is looking absolutely spectacular. That's exactly what I wanted, all of those toasty, roasty bits. We're gonna take it over here, and we're gonna go down, and we're gonna cut it like so. And see what I mean about like not worrying about it getting too dark? Actually, when you cut it, you actually get a lot of these kernels, and they look just fine. So our corn is completely cut, it's done. We're going right in to that mixture with our corn. And I'm gonna save a little bit of corn back just because I don't want it all in there. You'll see what we'll do with that in just a second. We give that a good mix. Oh my God, that looks amazing. We toasted our bun up, we got our dog in, we got a little bit of mustard. To the top of that, we put in our elote mixture, which is corn, sour cream, mayo, jalapeno, and a little bit of lime juice. We're gonna top that with our corn that we reserved back, just for a little bit of beautiful color and some contrast. To that, we give a nice squeeze of lime, and then on top of that, cotija cheese. And I'm gonna go in with more, because you can't have too much. We top this entire thing off with a wonderful drizzle of your favorite hot sauce. I like to use Valentina. That's my favorite. And then just for a little beauty, we top with cilantro. That's gonna give it brightness. If you don't like cilantro, I get it. To some people, it tastes like hand soap. To me, it tastes like beautiful goodness. And this is the elote dog. I'll tell you what we're gonna do, is we're gonna give it a cut right down the middle so we can see what it looks like from a cross section. Wait for it. Oh, it fell apart, but that looks pretty good. We're gonna give it a taste. Smokiness of the hot dog comes right through. Corn is delicious, it's creamy, salty. It's like street corn, but in bun form. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on any of the fun while we're hanging in the bun. I just choked on a piece of corn. We'll see you next time. All right, hold the phone. We forgot the most important thing to this Mexican street corn, and that is the Tajín seasoning. That is gonna make it absolutely incredible. I can't believe I forgot it. All right, so now we gotta try it. We gotta try it with the Tajín on there. That's gonna give it that smoky, salty, limon flavor. All right, we're going in.
I might two-step to the right, to the right, to the left.
That's what it was missing. Holy cow. That is so good. The Elote Dog. Make this at home. Devour it, smash 2, and then give 1 to your friend. We'll see you next time.
Everybody put your fingers in the air. I'm a Californian, I'm amazing, I'm blazing, it's crazy. Some really hate them, can't bait them or fade them. The focus kinda crazy, the grind is never lazy. What you say? I'm a Californian.